A dupatta is one of the most versatile pieces in a woman's wardrobe. It's almost magical how one piece of fabric can completely transform conventional looks into unique yet graceful ensembles. Here are some glamorous approved tips on how you can use these outfit staples to accentuate your look this season. An open cardigan is perfect for when you want to throw in a layer that can make you go from drab to fab in seconds. For this chic Indo-Western do, take both ends of your dupatta and secure it in the middle with a safety pin. Ponchos look exotic, and you can get your hands on them without having to burn a hole in your pocket. All you have to do is give your dupatta 2 folds from either of the ends, securing it in the middle. Now to make the sleeves, put a safety pin midway of each of these folds. Complete this, join the ends of your dupatta from the front, and you have your statement piece ready. For a stylish top, wear your dupatta on one side of your shoulder, taking the drape from behind and securing it under your arm. The free-falling drape now has to be attached to that as well, so that the dupatta is completely wrapped around your body. For a flattering and defined silhouette, complete your look with a belt. Shararas seem to be a major hit this season, but is a sloppy drape single-handedly pulling down your whole outfit? Instead of forcefully tucking your dupatta into your sharara, pin it in front for a graceful and gorgeous drape. Is your beautiful dupatta falling short for the appropriate outfit? All you have to do is open it up and drape it vertically over your shoulder to give it an illusion of looking longer. Finding good outfits can be daunting, but sometimes the right ones are hiding right inside your cupboard. We hope you found this helpful, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.